All right, everyone. What we're going to be looking at now is what is called the sixth column worksheet. Pardon me, the sixth column worksheet. And basically, what this does is it one makes sure that all of our accounts are in balance, and two, it helps us determine our net income or our net loss for the month ended, for which whatever we're doing the sixth column worksheet for. So you'll notice here that up at the top we have the name of the business, worksheet, and for the month ended, and it's always done at the end of the month. And then you'll notice we have the accounts listed. They're listed in numerical order by their account numbers, okay? And you'll find that the ledger should be in the same order, as well as every time they're listed in your assignments and you have that chart of accounts, they're listed all in numeric order by their account numbers. And then you have each account and their balance listed. Even if they have a zero, you have the account listed. And then the first two columns is the trial balance. So you list the debit and credits and you add them up to make sure that equal. And because we're doing math, you draw a single line, or as you are, since you're doing yours in Excel, you'll put a border. And then below, because they're equal, you put a double bottom border. Now, it's the next four columns where everything is broken up. So the next two are what's called the income statement. And then the last two are called the balance sheet. This is really just transferring the numbers from one column to the other. You'll notice that from the income summary down, and I know you're like, this income summary, we haven't used it yet. Don't worry, that's coming up. But income summary down should be listed in the income statement. So this, you'll notice, is all your revenue and expense accounts. Okay? Then everything else will be listed in the balance sheet column. And again, you'll notice debits are carried over to debits. Nothing is changing with the amount. They're just simply transferring numbers over. And then you'll add up all your expenses and your revenues. And you'll notice that they're not equal. And then you add up all the debits over in the balance sheet column and all the credits. And again, you'll notice that are not equal. But if you take the 9,716 and you minus 8,687, you'll notice the difference is 1,029. And if you take 19,658 minus 18,629, you're going to get 1,029. If this number is equal from the income statement to the balance sheet, then everything is in equality and it's balanced, and this is a good thing. Now, you'll notice here that our revenue number is bigger than our expenses. So that means that we will record this number under here, and that also means we have a net income. If it was the opposite and our expenses were greater than our revenue, then we would have a net loss. Now, it always corresponds on the balance sheet side with the revenue, whether it's a net income or not net loss. If we have a net income, then the credit column should be more than the debit column. If we have a net loss, the debit column should be more than the credit column in the balance sheet area. And again, because we did math, we put a border, and then we put another border because we did more math, and then you're going to add these two numbers together, and these should equal out then, and these should equal out. As if you have any questions, please let me know.